Renewable energy sector in India is the fourth most attractive renewable energy market in the world. India is among the emerging economies to lead to transition to clean energy. The Government of India is committed to increased use of clean energy sources and is already undertaking various large-scale sustainable power projects. Hello viewers, I'm Neelam Mishra, Faculty of Renewable Energy, University of Lucknow. In this video, I'm going to talk about the skills that you need to have a successful career in the most sought after sector of renewable energy and sustainability. These skills are important equally for both a job seeker as well as a job giver. As we all know, the urgent need to drastically reduce the adverse effects of climate change makes the development of renewable energy technologies essential these days. Renewable energy sources bring other advantages as well, such as provision of electricity in areas not connected to a central grid or where the grid is unavailable or unreliable and backup systems are required. This non-conventional source of energy help address increasing concerns about future energy prices and energy security in a context of rapid global energy demand driven mainly by rising living standards in developing countries like India. As the demand for renewable energy continues to increase, the renewable energy sector offers significant potential for creating employment opportunities in India, especially in rural areas. High caliber candidates are required to drive green and clean energy business forward to meet the Government of India's set target 175 gigawatt renewable energy by the year 2022. The solar workforce in India has increased drastically by 25% in 2016, while wind energy employment increased by 32%. The jobs in this sector are spanning renewable energy, equipment manufacture and distribution, operation and maintenance of facilities for all renewable energy technologies, energy efficiency, waste reduction, natural resources conservation, and environmental education. Skill gaps and shortage of skilled professionals are a reality. Therefore, individuals looking to enter these professions in the clean energy and sustainability sectors need to demonstrate competency in communication, an active interest in green energy, and a natural aptitude for understanding changing technologies related to energy and environmental systems. In addition, one must have a leadership quality to manage geographically diverse teams, coordinate complex technical projects, and possess the ability to identify and generate new ideas for economically viable option for a better, cleaner source of energy. More professionals than ever before are needed in this industry and are already joining to make a real difference in the future of energy security and sustainability. There are ample number of jobs that you can choose from in this industry with healthy career prospects, like you may find a job within a commercial enterprise, for example, hotel industry, that is not selling any solar energy product per se, but that has a mission to embrace energy efficiency with a focus on corporate sustainability. So this is an overview of job prospects in this sector, and now I will focus on specific skills that you need to develop to work in this industry. Both hard skills and soft skills are important in order to excel. Hard skills mainly include the sound technical knowledge, general understanding of the energy market, knowledge of relevant legislation about energy efficiency and carbon emissions. Besides that, a person needs to have an inquisitive mind, as the renewable energy sector is constantly evolving. A natural instinct to conceptualize and explore the future course would be highly beneficial. Energy sector requires a range of technical skills not only to excel as an employee, but if you wish to eventually lead energy projects. The person needs an excellent knowledge of scientific principles and concepts to make good decisions based on fact and solid data rather than opinion or perception. A good understanding of the industry will include the current uses and trends of renewable energy. An energy leader should also develop a detailed understanding of global energy markets, economics, and the wider business aspect. Financial skills and cost analysis are also valuable, along with exposure to regulatory policies, research methods, and analysis. To progress in the renewable energy industry, one must be able to collaborate with other players in the field to improve results rather than competing. As the industry faces ongoing challenges for investment and commitment in this sector, the energy professionals need to devise unique and innovative ways to reduce costs while meeting customer requirements. You need to demonstrate creativity to apply non-standard solutions or approach a problem in a unique way. Talking about the soft skills, good communication is vital and most important skill in this sector. Being able to articulate ideas both in writing and orally is very important. Strong communication skills are required to make real change, establish networks, and build relationships with colleagues and clients, not only to convey objectives but to keep projects on track and ensure that new ideas are clearly communicated to the right people. Employees need to maintain motivation. There will be occasions when things do not go according to plan. Projects don't work out as expected, or problems occur with a new system or process within this industry. In these situations, employees can quickly lose motivation. As an employee, you need to be committed to your work, while employers need to be able to provide the required inspiration to encourage employees to go to an extra mile for business and find out unique and innovative solutions. Employees' self-esteem can be enhanced through rewards, recognition to boost their motivation and promote creativity. More freedom to the decisions should be given to the employees. To summarize, the success in this sector will very much depend on your personal drive and determination, as well as the skills or technical knowledge that you possess. Natural inquisitiveness and a willingness to remain motivated when ideas don't work out on the first attempt become very important. This is the industry that is advancing at an incredible rate, and there are more and more opportunities arising in a variety of disciplines, from economics and engineering to law, marketing policy, and finance. I hope you find it useful and interesting. Thank you for your kind attention.